Boleh sebuahnya pibarok kita jumpa yang kita video nak katek tutor balapajai dak SCSTE Meghalaya. Kekerting jonga kadai daya hun mana. Padahal kan yang video ingin boleh syapang what do acid and base have in common, but what happens to an acid or base in water solution. Dah last video ngala ayah kowe ka homework ya paper pencils na kan chemical properties of acid and base. Desha bangin pulis panggine in solve shwa ya kadika question number 3. Ka question ka baong metal compound A reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce effervescent. The gas involved extinguish a burning candle. Write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction if one of the compound form is calcium chloride. Tiang ning yo iba kila ai metal compound A. A berdeu metal compound plus react badu hydrochloric acid yo effervescent kata kabamot kimia ki bubbles. Hang ni kila ai ya ka product jonggan ni ka reaction ka bade calcium chloride CaCl. Takamot ni haban fai A what A ubadeu metal compound. Hang ni habagi ong ba effervescent kata effervescent but kani ka effervescent ka badi ka gas ka extinguish a burning candle. Burning candle ka bamod ubambati ba meding ubambati upan mi ya ka carbon dioxide gas. Tela dang ngitap ya ka neka bombati da u container ubambati ulip no. De nakadaw balabon palat ku carbon dioxide gas. Bapen mi dau bombatihi takadau ulip na bombati nama bombati udan kam oksigen ban pen meding. Te hang ni ngilate ba effervescence kadeka carbon dioxide CO2. Te ngaban fai metal compound. Hang ni ngilo yo iba ngiyo calcium chloride. Calcium is a metal. Hang ni ngaban fai ya metal compound A. Te hak gathara pidangkan mau ba hak activity 2.5 ni ada ban pule ba ladang ni react metal compound with an acid ni yo calcium chloride and carbon dioxide, but uni u metal compound A metal carbonate kata kamut ba hang ni ngila yo metal hang ni carbonate example jong carbonate uday CO3 te ngila te ba ka metal compound ula bandai calcium carbonate. Tiya kan nega reaction ngila ban thok gumne calcium carbonate plus HCl yo salt calcium chloride plus CO2. Ya kan nega reaction ru ngihaban balance. Ban balance ya kan nega reaction hang ni ngila yo i badan artily chloride takadaw ngihaban thok hang ne tu. Te ngila i hang dan artily hydrogen but kumjo rong in yo hang ne water. Ngilai badan artily hydrogen lightly oxygen hang ni rola dan lightly oxygen chloride artily hang ni rola dan artily calcium way kane kala deka balance chemical reaction jonggan ka question number 3. Te kamut ka answer jonggan question number 3 kadai ban find metal compound A uday calcium carbonate. Te mentapan ngin pule what do acid and base have in common. Haka section 2.1 ngila deban pule ba baro ki acid ki don kaju ka chemical properties kata kadai baki release hydrogen ion. Acid release H plus ion. Teban pensyaya kane ngidon kawe ka activity pangile ka deka activity 2.8. Haka deka activity ngide ban shim yaki southly solution glucose alcohol hydrochloric acid but sulfuric acid. Hang ni ngile iba ngila shim ha dilute HCl solution but ngi connect ha battery but bulb but ngi buru ya switch ngi pen hang ni ba lada ngi add ya kan deka solution daga HCl, H2SO4, alcohol, but glucose, kune ubal light na em. Te hakan neg activity ngi iba tangka HCl solution but ka hydrochloric solution ki penme light ya kane ka bulb. Kane ka day nakadaw jongka jing flow jongka electric current. Kane ka electric current ka flow day nakadaw jongka jing penmi jong kini ki acid solution ya H plus ion. Hang ni pihak ban ngotho ba solution it release ions. But kini ki ions ki don arjai. Cation with a positive charge but anion ki bade negative charge. Te hakan ni ka activity ka bangil de ngi ba HCl is an acidic solution. Te ngi la depet ba acid solution they release H plus ion. Te hang ni shim HCl HCl release H plus but Cl minus. H plus udah cation but Cl minus udah anion. Dena kan ka daw ba ladagi add acid solution une ubal jangi umelat. Hendre ladagi add glucose but alcohol une ubal jangi unomelat namar ba kini ki solution kimla ban penmi ions kumba penmi ki acid solution. Te na tharai pidang kan mau ya ki importance acid ki bang na de ong ba phin ban kan mau but kita ki de importance acid HCl will release H plus and Cl minus but H2SO4 will release H plus and SO4 2 minus HNO3 nitric acid will release H plus but NO3 minus but CH3 COOH. Acetic acid will release H plus but CH3 COO minus. Haning i ba kini ki acid ki release ions takadaw ba kini ka uni ubal u penmelite. Hakaju karukom la dangi shim instead of HCl solution ni shim sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide solution uday acidic or basic in nature uday basic in nature. Te kumju ro uni sodium hydroxide release kumno release Na plus and OH minus. Haning ilayo iba kini ki acid ba ro ki release H plus takadaw ki ong all acid have the same chemical properties, that is they release H plus ion. Takamut ba baro ki acid ki penmi H plus ion, ki base part ki penmi OH minus ion. Sebut ada ngem sim other example ni sim calcium hydroxide in your Ca plus and OH minus. Nah kan activities gila ban conclude ba acid have H plus ion and base have OH minus. Katrai class ko thu ya kan activity 2.8 mentapan ngin le ya ka activity 2.9 ka baong ba what happened to an acid or a base in water solution. Kan je ayu lada gi add acid bat ka base haka then haka nek activity ngi laban ngi dan kam ban shim haka nek activity ngi haban shim ya test tube but how new test tube ngi haban add NaCl NaCl de salt common salt or table salt hane ngi la add sodium chloride salt uday solid in nature de ngin add sa concentrated H2SO4 hydrochloric ngin add pan concentrated H2SO4 sulfuric acid tadang i-add sulfuric acid hakane sodium chloride ubade solid in nature ngiyo i ba chemical bubbles te ban chemical bubbles but kini ki bubbles kide nakadaw jongka jing mi jong HCl gas hakane activity ki ong ba ladang ni shim litmus paper ladang ni bu hang ni shbo ngi la cover ya undi test tube bat ngi space tang khanget hang ni ban mi kanika gas ladang ni shim litmus paper dry litmus paper tak mo litmus paper bar khyang ngi bu hang ne ngi i ba uni litmus paper unam kala karong blue litmus paper long dang la de bu hang ne litmus paper uni blue litmus paper remain blue color remain blue color tak amut ba ladangi dry HCl gas blue litmus paper remains blue hendre ladangi shi litmus paper ubala ngila de penji bat ka uni blue litmus paper kala red color HCl solution. Blue litmus paper turns into red color. Kani kadai nakadaw jong kajing release jong u H plus ion. But hang neng yu iba nadang yi bu ya u dry litmus paper u color jong u ka kanek kaju andre nadang yi add pada u litmus paper u bajhe u bangina de penci ha u kelarong red color. Nakatakadaw ha kani activity nga iba u HCl ula ban release ya u deu H plus ion only in the presence of water. Takamut tang ha kajing don jong ko ba u deu HCl gas ula ban release ya u H plus ion. Ha kajing bom don jong ka une u HCl namla ban release ya u H plus ion. Ha kani activity nga iba ladang react HCl plus H2O ngiyo H3O plus ion and Cl minus. Namar ba une u H plus ion namla ban exist. Ta u H plus ion takadaw react biang but water bangin yo H3O plus ion bagi kod hydronium. Kata kamut ba H plus in aqueous plus O ngiyo H3O plus bagi kod hydronium ion. Kum juru ladang ngisim hang ni ngi add sodium hydroxide NaOH plus H2O ngiyo Na plus OH minus. Te kum juru ngila yo iba ki ka base solution ki release OH minus but acid solution ki release H plus or H3O plus bagi kod hydronium ion. Hang ni iba ni tho concentrate but don't ru ki solution ki bangi tho dilute. Te habang ni tho concentrate NaOH kata kamut bagane ka solution kalong strong namar bagi claim I hakane ka solution. Baladang ito dilute NaOH dilute or weak. Kani ka solution kalong weak banya kani ka solution namar banya dip add water laning la dip add hakane ka solution takadaw kalong dilute in nature. Ya ki base ki ba long soluble haka ki khot ke alkalis. Base ya ki base ki ba long soluble haka ki khot ke alkalis. Soluble in water are called alkali. Log nakadaw kadon kajiong ba all alkali are base but all base are not alkali. Number ba de baro ki base ki balong soluble in water. Takabut ba all alkali are base but all base are not alkali. Tengan harai dina sil thu sapang bineka portion ka ba 2.2 ka ba what do all acid and all base have in common. Kata kamut acid they have H plus and base they have OH minus. But kum juru kanji ayu ladangi react acid but water ki release H plus ion but ladangi react ki base solution in water ki release OH minus ion. Namuntakan nega video ngatai plus ngoto kubleshibun.